Unfortunately, the records, as I videotaped it, so the record stopped automatically. I don't know why it did. So, anyways, this is part 2, and we're gonna replace tape into. It's called Chisholm 1984 VHS. We're gonna replace old wheels into a new wheels. Here's the inside case again. This is called Chisholm 1984 VHS. Sorry, I don't know why the record stopped on me. I don't know why. Is it the camera stalling or probably the buffer wide? Unfortunately. So I'm gonna, as I already mentioned, the tape's broken. This is Chisholm 1984 VHS, but a 1960 reprint. January 28, 1986, During 1904. I'm gonna replace old wheels into new wheels. I'm no longer using blank VHS tape. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it dropped the camera. It automatically stopped when I dropped the camera for no reason. At least it's what it is. So I'm not keeping the record tape anymore. That's the reason why I'm gonna replace new wheels into an old wheels. As you all know, I'm gonna fix the tape for sure. So yeah, I hope this camera won't drop again. So yeah. Oh, by the way. Hey, listen. Wheels turn like this. And guys, this is the reason why I'm gonna fix this tape. So yeah, the wheels don't turn. So yeah, that is the reason why I'm gonna fix this tape. So yeah, as I said, unlike my Pan 4 just part 1, the tape broke when I first got it, and unlike my Pan 4 just for part 1, this is not a widescreen. It's got the different one for middle school. Now I'm gonna fix it right now. Hopefully, this won't drop the camera by automatic stop recording. Hopefully this won't. Hopefully the recorder on the camera won't stop. So yeah, it is what it is. So, oh well. I dropped the camera for accident. I never seen it. I dropped the camera for accident, and as usual enough. So yeah, I'm gonna replace old wheels into a new wheels on a blank VHS tape. I think because it's a glitch, as I accidentally dropped it and let the I don't know what to say. Let's fix this tape. Sorry, I can't say anything. So, get the screw out. Get the screw out. Hold on. So yeah, I dropped the camera for accident, and the recording automatically stopped. So sorry about that, guys. This is part 2. So there's no need to go on. Let's go on with part 2. I'm sorry about that. It's very pain to get the middle screw out of here. So now I'm gonna fix this tape, and as I said, an OGS copy has a broken copy of Energy Dragon. It's probably one of the people that reclaims the tape. He got it. He used it a few times and it broke. And as I said, I did fix Pad 19 just part 1 on the last many videos. Please, if you can, please link it in the description down below. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's screw fold them. I hope the camera won't drop next time. Sorry if I drop the camera and let the recording automatically stop. I think the recording of the camera stalls at one point. So let's test one screw out. Said the tape is broken when I first got it. I never know the tape is broken when I first got it off on eBay. There's 2 screws. I never seen it tape broken before. It's probably not the case. Oh! Got 3 screws out and then 4 screws out. Look at that. It's very pain to get it out, but at least I did. Let's do one more screw. Now before we get the tape shell open, get this out of here. Oh, there we go. Now before we get the tape shell open, there are 3 stickers. 1 holographic sticker, 2 big W sticker. That's on the symbol right here. There are 3 stickers. 1 holographic sticker, 2 that sticker right here. I don't know which. And 3 a print date. There are 3 stickers which kept the believe me. There are 3 stickers which kept the shell closed. So I'm gonna peel it off. Hopefully I don't drop the tape anymore. Here's the holographic sticker. This has to go. It can't be. Get it out of here. It beats me. I never know that I first got it. The tape's broken. It's just gonna take the usual. There we are. And yeah, the sticker has to go. No need for that. And there's a sticker right here. But I don't have a tripod. I'm using 7 bootleg and UK to pound the NTIC bootleg tapes. I'm using like that. Since I don't have a tripod. I will have a I need to get a tripod. I need to get a tripod in the near future. Let's peel the sticker off. And this is it. And this is gonna be uploaded on YouTube for sure. Sorry. Get it out of here. Oh. Now, last thing before we take the shell open is the print date. I'm gonna put the print date back in after I'm done fixing this tape. And yes, as far as I know it, the print date sticker is gonna be yeah, the print date sticker is gonna be, it's glued. Yeah, print date might be a perfect time. Yeah, it's perfect time to glue the print date. Yeah, first print date, then an label. Great method, huh? Look at that, right here. That is a great method used for printing. Now we're gonna open the tape shell for service. Now we're gonna open this shell up for service. Oh, there we are. Get this out of here. How can I get this? How can I get it in? I don't think so. Where the actual heck? Did the tape break? I don't think so. Now we're gonna open the tape shell for service. Open the tape for service. I don't know if I have time or not. Get the stupid. There we are. There we go. Oh, I've never seen tape damaged. It's damaged to the point. Right here. Now, yeah, there's one here. That tape broke. Yep. See, I never know the tape snapped when I first got it off on eBay. So now let's fix the tape. Now this is a 1986 reel. So yeah, this is the reel that is used from Chisholm. So now we're gonna take the reel out. Say goodbye to that reel, cause I'm no longer say goodbye to that reel. I'm no longer keeping this reel, and this reel is gonna be old for sure. So now, let's get the. We're gonna use it soon. Now we're no longer keeping the record tape. So now I'm gonna take all 5 screws out of here. This is gonna be up for sure. And by the way, this is the last video filmed in my location. This is the last video filmed in my location in 56 Express Drive until I move out of the old apartment. Yeah, this is the last video. Be ready for that. Oh, get the shell, but there we go. Oh, get this out of here. It's no longer going. Oh. This has to go no longer. So yeah, by the way, this is the last video located at 56 West Drive. Until I move on over to a new address, which is gonna be, say goodbye to that old address anymore. Oh, there's the piece. Oh, I don't know why. I never know why. But other than that, I say, let's pull the record top off. So that's to go. There we are. Now, let's get this rear end. Yep. We're gonna get this rear end. Now the tape is no longer in service. There we go. So yeah, now we're gonna replace this wheel into that wheel. Now, this is not gonna be an easy one. This is gonna be a hard one, unlike my last video. So yeah, this has to go. I'm gonna get scissors, cut it. Has to go. I'm sorry. So yeah, bye for that video. I mean, I'm gonna keep this wheel until I hear the tape being snapped. Whenever I fast forward. Now we're gonna put it back in. And splice it. Oh. Oh. Now we're gonna splice that Scotch tape in. I never know that the tape is broken. I've never seen it. Put it in. And there we are. Now we're gonna put this in. Before that, oh wow. Let me put it back in. Let's keep it. Put the tape in. Okay. Now, gently. Hang on. This ain't gonna be good. Now, put it in. Wow. Get in there. Oh, wow. Now we're gonna cut scissors. It's not as easy as it gets. So just bear with me until I get it. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about. I get the cut piece of paper out of here. perfect. Oh, come on. Get this in there. I want to. Tape is a demonstration. Look at this. Stupid tape. There. Now we're gonna almost there. Is it success? I don't know. We'll see. And I don't know if it's perfect or not. Let's find out. Let's put the... this ain't good. Let's put the wheel back in. I don't think so. I don't think... Oh. Is it the whole tape being broken? Is it? Dang it. Is it the tape not being broken? Let's find out. I don't know if the tape is broken or not. I haven't got a chance to test it out. Let's find out. Hang on a second. This is not going to be an easy video to show you. Hold on a second, folks. Oh. Get it again. We'll find out if the tapes work or not. Not going to be edgy. Is it working? Yep. Grand success. Well. Yep. Where's it? Wow. That was an easy fix. Now we're gonna hear the tape snap by the time I fast forward. And then I'll test this tape. That'll be cut in the next video. So stay tuned for that. There's a... Yeah, really. Yeah, I don't like that. I think I took this one out for mainly. So yeah, 5 more minutes. Did it? It's not a good easy one. Oh. I think it's flop when I think it's flop where it's gonna be placed. Hang on. I think the main reason of that is the tape where it's broken. Oh, there we are. Oh, but easy as it is. Well, now we're gonna put the tape in back in. I'm gonna put the tape back in and see what this thing happens when I test the tape. Let's piece tape on it. Now stay tuned for the next part, which I'm gonna test tape for sure. Now I'm gonna test tape for sure. This will be on the next part. This is gonna be part 3. So yeah, this is gonna be part 3. In the first part, I dropped the camera for accident, so this is a success. And yes, I replaced a blank reel to a 1904 reel, even though it's a reprint from 1986. Let's put all those reels back in, and I'm gonna test tape. So stick around for that in part 2. Look at this. Wow. That was a good fix. That was a good fix. That was a good fix. This is a test. Now I did perfect. Hold on. I did replace the reel. Come on. So yeah, I did fix this tape for sure. Let's take a look. Yep, I don't think this is a perfect splice. I don't think that's correct splice. I don't know. I don't think that's the correct splice. We'll get to that in the next part. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think the tape is gonna get. I don't think this tape is gonna get work or not. We'll do that in the next part. Well, stick around for part 3. Hopefully, the tape will gonna be work for sure. So yeah, stay with us in part 3. I'm gonna test this tape out for sure, and then I'm gonna fast forward to hear the tape snap and take the film strip out of here and fill in with a new tape. With a new reel. Sorry about that, folks. Fill in with a new reel. Be on the lookout for part 3. That's it for part 2.